Back with one more of the Miniverse Make It Mini Foods. This is Diner Series 1. And we've only gotten 3 from the Diner series, so hopefully it's not a duplicate. There's a pretty good chance it won't be, since there's 18 different ones to collect with the Diner series. We've gotten pretty many from the Cafe series. No duplicates yet of that, so very happy with everything we've gotten so far. Been pretty lucky. Just got to get all this plastic off, and then we can see what we got. I'm hoping for avocado toast. I'm really excited to see that one. What do you hope we get, Raylan?
I hope for a good sweet one.
Like a pie?
Yeah,
or like waffles? Pancakes?
Ooh, maybe, yeah.
All right.
Maybe a pancake.
Let's see. Oops, it's going to be a pie or something. It's a pie dish. You want to open them?
Yeah.
I'll put the table together.
I'll grab the stuff out.
Yeah, go ahead and start opening them so we can see what we got. First clue, it's probably a tart because there's no
looks like
lattice top.
It might be a pie.
It's, let's see, what is this? Some kind of spread.
I think it's pie then, if it's a spread. If it's a spread, it's a pie, Mom.
You think? A spoon.
Oh, can you open this bag for me? Sorry, that's the hardest.
Oh, there's the crust. Oh no, is it the cherry again? Did we get a duplicate?
Let's see.
It's our first duplicate. Oh. That's okay because this is the first one I did and I kind of want to do it a little differently. Okay, so we're going to put the crust in first. Last time I don't think I got all the pie filling out. So the top part of the pie didn't touch the cherries. Maybe it's not supposed to. So you can lift it off. So I'm just going to be more patient this time and try to get every little bit of the pie filling on first. I also don't think if I used all the cherries or not. I don't know. It was like the first one I did. Because they don't put much in here. They give you like exactly the right amount. And they said you could keep it upside down for a bit so that it flows out better. I'm not seeing anything.
I'm seeing something.
Nope, it's stuck in there.
Sorry.
Oh my gosh, it's slowly coming out.
Looks like a slow cherry blueberry.
I saw a TikTok where someone made it look like it was splashing, and people get really creative with these. I'm not creative, so I just follow whatever instructions they have on, you know, on the back of the sheet. So
Which that's creative.
That is, yeah. See, we could leave the top off this time and just cover it with cherries if we wanted. You can do all sorts of things.
Could we do that?
Okay. Do you want to shake them on there?
Oh, yay.
There is not much resin in there at all. Go ahead, right on there. You missed, girl. We got to pick them up off the floor and throw them in there. We have all the cherries in there, so now we're going to set it in the sun to cure. Here's the cured cherry pie, and you could just lay the lattice across it. I wish there was more so you can make it like one piece, but then I guess you wouldn't be able to see the cherries that well. But anyway, stay tuned if you want to see more of these. We're always doing them on the channel. Bye guys.